In this video, I'll show you how to transfer USDT from a Phantom wallet to Binance. Before we begin, I want to mention that I don't currently have USDT in my Phantom wallet, so I'll demonstrate the process using Solana instead. The steps are exactly the same for USDT or any other supported token, so you can easily follow along. To start, open your Phantom wallet and from the home screen, tap on the Send option. Next, choose the token you want to transfer. Here, I'm selecting Solana. Now, open the Binance app and from the bottom menu, tap on Assets. Select Add Funds, then choose On-Chain Deposit. Search for the token you want to receive, such as USDT. If you're following this example, search for Solana instead. After selecting the token, choose the correct network. It's very important that the network you select on Binance matches the network used in your Phantom wallet to avoid losing funds. Once the network is confirmed, copy the wallet address provided by Binance. Go back to your Phantom wallet, paste the copied address into the recipient field, and tap Next. Enter the amount you want to transfer, review the details carefully, and then confirm and send the transaction. That's basically how you can transfer USDT from your Phantom wallet to Binance, safely and easily. I hope this video helped you understand the process clearly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful crypto tutorials.